Welcome to an exclusive look at automotive royalty, the Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta, a machine that truly redefines rarity and sets new benchmarks for price. This extraordinary vehicle is a testament to unparalleled exclusivity and a highly sought-after collector's dream. Launched in 2016 to commemorate Ferrari's illustrious 70th anniversary, this magnificent limited edition open-top supercar stands as a profound testament to unparalleled exclusivity. It was designed for the most discerning collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. With an incredibly limited production run of only 209 units ever produced, its value typically hovers around an impressive $4.6 million. However, its desirability has driven auction prices to an astonishing $6.715 million, solidifying its status as one of the most valuable automobiles in existence. This vehicle truly represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's technological excellence, breathtaking performance, iconic style, and ultimate exclusivity. It was meticulously crafted and reserved for their most passionate and loyal clients, embodying the very essence of what Ferrari stands for. The Aperta masterfully retains the iconic and instantly recognizable LaFerrari aesthetic, celebrated for its aggressive yet elegant lines. Modifications were meticulously applied only above the waistline, ensuring the car's fundamental visual identity remained intact while embracing its open-top nature. A key design element is its distinctive carbon fiber flying bridge, an innovative structural component that adds to its unique visual appeal. It seamlessly integrates into its sophisticated open-top design, highlighting Ferrari's commitment to both form and function. The exhilarating open-top experience is further enhanced by offering drivers the choice of both a lightweight carbon fiber hardtop and a more flexible soft top. This thoughtful versatility ensures the LaFerrari Aperta is perfectly equipped for any driving condition, adapting to the owner's preference. To ensure an uncompromised driving experience, a sophisticated and precisely engineered windsstop system is integrated, guaranteeing exceptional aerodynamic and acoustic comfort. This allows occupants to enjoy the thrill of open-top driving, even at the highest speeds, without sacrificing refinement. Ferrari engineers faced significant and complex challenges in meticulously refining the chassis and aerodynamics of the Aperta. Their mission was to ensure it could precisely match the formidable performance limits and structural integrity of its coupe counterpart, a monumental task for an open-top vehicle. Despite its open-top configuration, which often presents aerodynamic hurdles, the LaFerrari Aperta remarkably boasts an astonishing top speed exceeding 350 km per hour. This incredible feat underscores Ferrari's relentless pursuit of performance. Its acceleration figures are equally mind-boggling, launching from 0 to 100 km per hour in an electrifying under 3 seconds. Furthermore, it reaches 200 km per hour in just 7.1 seconds, showcasing its immediate and relentless power delivery. Remarkably, through ingenious engineering and advanced materials, the Aperta maintains the exact same torsional rigidity and dynamic performance characteristics as its fixed-roof coupe counterpart. This ensures an uncompromised driving feel and handling precision. The sophisticated active aerodynamic system remains entirely unchanged from the coupe, continuously adapting to optimize downforce and minimize drag. This system ensures that even with the roof open, aerodynamic efficiency is maintained, making it a true engineering marvel. At its very heart lies a sophisticated and groundbreaking hybrid power unit, meticulously combining a naturally aspirated 800 CV 6,262 cubic centimeters V12 engine. This powerful internal combustion engine forms the core of its performance. This magnificent V12 engine delivers an incredibly impressive 128 CV per liter, showcasing its high-revving, high-output nature. It features an aggressive 13.5 to 1 compression ratio, highlighting its exceptional efficiency and power density. This potent V12 is seamlessly coupled with a powerful 120 kilowatts or 163 CV electric motor, creating a harmonious blend of traditional and electric power. The combined efforts result in a staggering total system output of 963 CV, providing instant torque and breathtaking acceleration. This incredible, Combined power is precisely managed by Ferrari's advanced HYKERS system, a sophisticated hybrid kinetic energy recovery system directly derived from Formula One technology. This integration ensures optimal power delivery and efficiency. The seamless and intelligent integration of these diverse power sources delivers a monumental 900 Nm of peak torque. This immense torque is available almost instantly, providing unparalleled responsiveness and thrust across the entire rev range. Beyond raw power, the HYKERS system boasts an exceptional 94% efficiency in energy recovery and deployment, a remarkable achievement in hybrid technology. This incredible efficiency is a true testament to Ferrari's engineering prowess. All this immense power is flawlessly channeled to the wheels through an F1 derived dual-clutch transmission, a masterpiece of engineering that ensures lightning-fast, seamless gear changes. This advanced gearbox allows for instantaneous shifts, keeping the engine in its optimal power band. The Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta transcends the definition of a mere car. It is a true work of art, a breathtaking masterpiece of automotive design and engineering. Every curve and line speaks to a relentless pursuit of perfection, making it a sculptural icon. It stands as the ultimate collector's dream, a highly sought-after vehicle that embodies the absolute pinnacle of automotive luxury, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance. Its rarity and desirability make it a prized possession for any serious enthusiast. Combining blistering, track-ready performance with the exhilarating freedom and sensory immersion of open-top driving, the LaFerrari Aperta offers an unmatched and truly visceral experience. It connects the driver to the road and the environment in a way few other vehicles can. Ultimately, this makes it the definitive Ferrari for enthusiasts worldwide, a powerful symbol of passion, relentless innovation, and unparalleled driving pleasure. The LaFerrari Aperta is not just a car, it's a legacy, a celebration of Ferrari's enduring spirit.